of the radius and ulna, they are the growing ends. Okay, they have the epiphyseal plate over here. So it's not only going to supply these palmar and carpal arches, not only going to supply the carpal bone, they are also going to supply the lower end or the epiphyseal part of the radius and the ulna. Is it okay now, bete?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम एक्सक्यूज मी, ये जो आपने बताइए डॉर्सल आर्च जो है,
कार्पल आर्च,
डॉर्सल कार्पल आर्च, मैम इसमें ये रेडियल आर्टरी कहाँ से आ रही है और अल्नर आर्टरी कहाँ से आ रही है?
बेटे अल्नर और रेडियल आर्टरी ने अपना टर्न लिया है ना, दे आर कमिंग फ्रॉम द palmar aspect over here. Or again, they are giving their dorsal branches, na? The radial and the ulnar, they are giving their dorsal branches. Ab name shows that when they are giving their dorsal branches, though they should run over the dorsal aspect of the hand. वो palmar पे तो नहीं रहेंगे ना बेटे?
मैम ये जो दोनों हैं, ये इंट्रोशियस जो है बिटवीन द अल्नर एंड रेडियस, वहाँ से आ रही हैं ये दोनों आर्टरीज की ब्रांचेस?
सॉरी, मुझे समझ नहीं आया कहाँ से आ रही है?
I mean anterior interosseous.
No. They are not coming through the interosseous spaces. They are not coming through the interosseous spaces. जो dorsal carpal है, वो आपके extensor tendon of the thumb है ना, उनके deeply pass करती है. There is no link between the interosseous spaces and the dorsal carpal branch. Okay? वो interosseous spaces को cross नहीं कर रही हैं. जो आपकी deep dorsal carpal branch है, वो आ रही है deep to the extensor tendon of the thumb. और जो palmar carpal branch थी वो आपके पास आ रही है just below the pronator quadratus, and then it is running toward the medial side of the palmar aspect of the carpal bone. यहाँ पर आपके पास pronator quadratus होता है ना बेटे, over here, यहाँ पर present होती है. ठीक है? Is it okay? आपने
No मैम,
मैम ये वाली बहुत ज्यादा कंफ्यूजिंग है
बेटे. इंट्रोशियस स्पेस के साथ इसको आपने लिंक नहीं करना. You just remember that these are the branches which coming from their respective artery. अगर हम कह रहे हैं dorsal carpal branch of the ulnar artery, तो it coming from the ulnar, और the dorsal carpal branch of the radial artery, so it coming from the radial artery. ठीक है जी. अभी हम radial artery का आपको बता देते हैं कि ये जो है it passes deep to the extensor tendon of the thumb. अब extensor tendon of the thumb कौन से हैं? Extensor pollicis longus and extensor pollicis brevis, if you remember. ठीक है, उनके deeply pass करता है और then it going to appear on the dorsal surface of the hand. Later on जब हम अल्ना की ब्रांच करेंगे तो आपको उसका भी बता देंगे. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
There is a dorsal carpal arch which formed with the help of the dorsal branch of the radial artery, dorsal branch of the ulnar artery, and the branch coming from the anterior and the posterior interosseous artery. Okay? So in this manner, it is going to form an arch here which is called the dorsal carpal arch. And now again from this dorsal carpal arch, you can see over here, they are the branches or running downward. First over here, second and the third. These are the three dorsal metacarpal arteries which are coming from the dorsal arch. Okay, doctor, this is the dorsal arch over here. This dorsal arch giving three metacarpal arteries which are present over here, or where it is running on the second, third and fourth interosseous muscle. आपको पता है ना, you have the 4 dorsal interossei, you have 3 palmar interossei. ठीक है ना, टोटल 7 इंट्रोशिया हैं हमारे पास. So 4 dorsal interossei हैं. First one is over here, second one is here, third one is here, fourth one is here. All these are bipinnate. You know that ना? So the dorsal आपकी arch से जो branches आ रही हैं, they are the 3 branches which are called the dorsal metacarpal arteries. Dorsum पे हैं, metacarpal के level पे हैं, that's why we call it the dorsal metacarpal arteries. Or these are descending on the second, third and fourth interosseous muscle. Okay, it descending on the second, third and fourth interosseous muscle. These are the branches which are over here. नजर आ रही है? ठीक है?
Yes,
और
ma'am.
again, when you trace it toward the head of the metacarpal, here they are going to bifurcate. अब देख लो, divide हो रही है, bifurcate हो रही है. Okay, all these, the first, the second and the third. And now over here, they are going to supply the contiguous sides. देखो contiguous side को supply कर रही है ना? They are going to bifurcate here. First, you have the dorsal arch. This dorsal arch giving 3 metacarpal arteries, which are descending on the second, third, and fourth interosseous space. At the low part over here, it's going to bifurcate. when it is going to bifurcate, they are going to supply the adjacent side of the little finger or the ring finger, adjacent side of the ring or the middle finger, adjacent side of the index or the middle finger. Got it? These bifurcation as well as the point of their origin, they are also having anastomosis with the other branches. At the point of its origin, over here, they are going to join with the deep palmar arch with the help of the perforating branches. Or at the level of the bifurcation, over here, it is going to join the superficial palmar arch with the help of the distal perforating arteries. Okay? आपके जो metacarpal arteries हैं बेटे, they are going to anastomose with the deep palmar arch as well as the superficial palmar arch. At the level of its origin, they are going to join the deep palmar arch with the help of the perforating arteries or proximal perforating. Obviously, this is the proximal sphancna, or this is the distal one. So at the level of the distal level, these bifurcation, they are going to anastomose with the branches of the superficial palmar arch with the help of the distal perforating artery. Here you can see that. This one is the deep palmar arch. Okay. Here you have the perforating artery here. With this perforating artery, there is a dorsal metacarpal arteries. Dorsal metacarpal artery, perforating artery, joined with the branches of the deep palmar arch. समझ आ रही है?
यस मैम.
अगर मोबाइल पे देख रहे हो तो कतई नहीं आएगी मेरे बेटे. अगर आपकी स्क्रीन बड़ी है, इनलार्ज है, तो यू डेफिनेटली अप्रिशिएटेड ऑल दीस थिंग्स.
मोबाइल पे देख रहे हैं.
बहन फिर आपको कैसे आएगी स्क्रीन, कितनी लार्ज हो जाएगी वो. चलें, इट्स अप टू यू. कंफर्टेबल विद मोबाइल, इट्स ओके. ठीक है जी. तो आपने कौन सी ब्रांचेस कर ली हैं अब इसकी? डोर्सल कार्पल आर्च के साथ हमने डोर्सल branch of the dorsal carpal branch of the radial artery finish कर ली. Now come to the other branch which is called the first dorsal metacarpal artery. First dorsal metacarpal. अब name shows करिए first dorsal metacarpal. So this is the radial artery over here. This is the first dorsal metacarpal artery. Dorsal pec पे है, first metacarpal के level पे है. That's why we call it the first dorsal metacarpal artery. Okay, it arises before this artery is passing through the first interosseous muscle and entering into the palm. Before entering into the palm, this radial artery giving a branch which is called the first dorsal metacarpal artery. ठीक है जनाब? This is the first dorsal metacarpal.
Radial artery आएगी branch.
Radial artery की branch है बेटे.
मैम ये dorsal arch की branch नहीं है.